Hello and welcome to this how to make a Padlet demonstration tutorial video. So just like the others that we've looked at so far, we want to just find a website to begin with by typing it into our search engine and just clicking on that there. Of course, I have an account. It's easy to set up an account, just enter your email and a few other details and then you can get going. So once we've set this up, we want to make a Padlet. And to do that, we just click on the plus icon. You'll notice I've got two others here. At the time of recording, there was only capacity for 3 in the free version. Obviously, the paid subscription, you get much greater allowances for the amount of Padlets you can make. So we just click on plus here to create one. And just go into Blackboard there. Obviously, there's a variety of AI enhanced opportunities there that you can use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a similar model that we used in Workshop 2, I should say. And I'm going to call it Where Can I? Okay, and I'll put this as columns. Alright, so here we have different sections. I'm just going to click done here, and I'm going to click on these 3 dots, and then add a little bit more information by clicking on this settings button here. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little description. Please add a sentence to each answer. For example, at the DLC. Okay. Could be sample response and see why. Obviously, you can change the color schemes and the font to whatever you prefer. And things like the different post sizes and the formats. And you can also add emojis and upvotes and likes and all those things. It looks like it's limited to just one based on the free version. And then there's the moderation tools as well. Anyway, and you can add a custom URL if you want, things like that. Obviously with appearance and all those things, and post some content in advance, and those things can be altered on that tab. Okay, so I'm going to add some things to the section. I'm going to say, where can I buy groceries? I'm just going to change this to ... Okay, cool. You might say something like, you or I can buy groceries at Aldi near Entry Gully Station. Okay. You could add an image. You could put a photo. You could also add a link. Any other uploads. There's a variety of different attachment types. You could put a Google Maps link. You could put a GIF. You could put a location. Whatever you want to do. Okay, so it's quite multimodal in that sense. But if you just want to add text, you can. And then you go to publish. Okay. Where can I improve my English? You can add a subject line as well. You can improve your English by studying at the DLC library. Okay, maybe we want to add an image here. Library by clicking into that search. Okay, I'm not sure what the sort of resource areas of the MDLC or the different sort of buildings look like, but I'm just using this for example purposes. So there we go. And then can I Chinese takeaway food near hillside. Okay. Alright, so maybe we want to get a nice little image of Chinese food. There we go, some mapo tofu. And maybe we could just do a little search through Chinese food hillside. Okay, there we go, some places in Croydon. A variety of different places. Okay, maybe the 10 best. Well, that doesn't work. Okay, maybe we're keen on Peking Duck Dynasty. Okay, maybe we want the directions. Okay, there we go, Mountain District Learning Centre. Alright, and then maybe we can copy this code into there. Try this. There we go, the link works. So just having a little play around. Obviously you can adapt this to your particular context in as much detail or as much creativity as you want. Just some little distribution functions as well, permissions. It's up to you obviously how you want to, the accessibility and visibility of your own work and your own learning activities, but I am not particularly precious about that sort of stuff. You can add a collaborator, so an email address. You can set sort of password protections as well. Obviously, the QR code is good for phone use, and you can embed that by downloading an image into a PowerPoint presentation or distribute it however you want. You can also embed in a blog or website if your learning management system allows that. There's copy links as well. For improved access, so now the students can access it just like that. And yes, you can export as PDFs or as images or however you want. So this is all within the free version, and it's really fun and really kind of interesting to see how people map out their ideas. So I hope you enjoy playing around with Padlet in your learning contexts, and I'm looking forward to hearing any feedback about how you went with creating a Padlet in your particular learning contexts. Thank you.